Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming basic readiness. Unlocked phone and Android 10 plus Realme UI for consistent labels. Now open settings and tap sound and vibration. This is where system audio toggles live. Once in sound, scroll to locate keyboard sound or key tap tone. Realme sometimes nests it under advanced or system sounds, so check both. Tap that entry to reveal the actual toggle controls. This first step exposes the switch you will flip to silence keys and prevents digging into apps needlessly. Next, disable key sounds inside the keyboard app itself because system sound can be separate from app-level feedback. Open Gboard or Realme keyboard, go to Settings then Preferences and turn off sound on key press. This prevents tones at the source. While there, adjust vibration strength or disable haptic feedback if you want silence and no buzz. Once done, make sure to close the keyboard and test by typing in Notes to verify both system and app sounds are off for a fully quiet experience. To finish, perform a quick verification. Open several apps and type to ensure no key tones remain. If you still hear clicks, restart the phone. That often applies new audio settings. Next, clear the keyboard app cache or force stop it in App Info to remove stale behavior. If problems persist, inspect accessibility services and any third-party sound apps. These can reintroduce tones. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Do Not Disturb briefly to see if sounds are overridden by another service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.